Leena was born and brought up in Mumbai. She was always excellent in studies. She has completed BE in honours. Leena is a daughter of well-qualified parents, Mrs. Saroj Patil, retired BMC teacher, and Mr. Arvind Patil, retired officer in MSCB. Now she is married to a handsome and intelligent person, Mr. Yogesh, and blessed with two lovely children, Riya and Ryan. At the age of 23, she went to London for the job of software engineer. At 25, she started Real Academy coaching classes. At present, she is the MD of Home Revise, having 50 branches across Maharashtra. Home Revise is a revolution in studies. Home Revise is an animated audiovisual study program for 1st to 12th standard for Maharashtra Board, English and Marathi medium, as well as for CBSE and ICSE Board. Home Revise is a brainchild of Leena and Yogesh to take quality education to grassroots level. More than 12 lakh students are using Home Revise and benefited by the increase in their percentage. Home Revise has made 5,000 schools digital with the help of CSR of SBI, DMart, BPCL and many more. During COVID, Home Revise has also contributed in the social cause and with the help of NGO distributed 4,000 e-learning tabs to the children of Mumbai's Dabbewala. Near about 1,000 underprivileged ZB schools at Raigad, Palgad, Bashim are effectively learning through Home Revise. It's been said that the great leaders don't set out to be a leader, they set out to make a difference. Leena, with her tremendous energy, intelligence and contribution, made a difference in education, for which she has been awarded with multiple awards. Leena is a passionate trainer, motivator, traveller and sportsperson. She combines great business acumen with excellent leadership skills, always keeping human values in mind. She's also a part of social responsibility. That's why she's an active Rotarian and was past president of Rotary's Thane Central Club. In short, Leena is limitless energy, and for her, sky is the only limit. We wish her best of luck for her journey here onwards.